Members for SpaceX's Demo 2 crew test flight. From St. Anne, Missouri, he is an Air Force colonel and flight test engineer who was selected as an astronaut in 2000. He flew aboard Space Shuttle Endeavour twice, first on STS-123 and then on STS-130. Introducing NASA astronaut Bob Behnken. Also joining the SpaceX Demo 2 test, his hometown is Appalachian, New York. He is a Marine Corps colonel and test pilot. He was selected as an astronaut in 2000. He piloted Space Shuttle Endeavour for STS-127 and Atlantis for STS-135, the final Space Shuttle mission. Introducing NASA astronaut Doug Hurley. Following certification, Boeing and SpaceX will provide regular crew rotation services to the International Space Station. NASA